to get you the list of stocks that you should be keeping on your radar bright and early this morning. In fact, Gaurav is standing by with just that list. Gaurav, over to you.
Well, yes. First, let's talk about Pidilite Industries because Mr. Bharat Puri has now been resigned has now resigned actually. It's actually that they have completed his term, and with this, Mr. Sudhanshu Vats will be taking over as managing director. Other than that, Shriram Finance is in focus because board of directors has now considered and approved 100% acquisition of the stake in Shriram Overseas Investment. JSW Energy is also going to be in focus because company has said that they have achieved a significant milestone by adding around 3.6 gigawatt of generation capacity in FY25. In fact, company has said that the total capacity now stands at 10.9 gigawatt, which is actually much higher than the 10 gigawatt target that they had for FY25. MOIL is also going to be in focus today because company has now announced a price revision somewhere in the range of 0.5 to 3%. RITES is going to be in focus, and this is on the back of the negative news flow. Now the company has informed that there is a termination letter for major order which was secured by the company from UPSBCL. Now company has said that there won't be any financial impact because the execution was not started, but definitely a negative impact can be seen on the stock price. Biocon is going to be in focus today because board is going to have its board meeting on 4th of April to consider fundraising via CPs or other private placement options. CSB Bank is also in focus today because the company came with their quarterly updates, and if you look at the growth, deposit growth was at 24% and loan book growth was at 29%, which is much higher than the industry growth. And lastly, now that it is year-end time, there are a few companies who have received income tax demand. So first, let's talk about some of the consumer companies which may get impacted. So we have got Dabur, Tata Consumer, Swiggy. All these companies have got a tax demand of more than 100 crore rupees. So definitely watching out on all these counters on the back of the news flow that we have received in the morning.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.